Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to work on place value. In place value, numbers are called digits. Until it has an assigned value, it is called a digit. Now, each digit has an assigned value of ones, tens, or hundreds. Once a value is added, we can put it into a period. And a period is 3 digits that occur in the ones, tens, and hundreds place. After you have that third digit, you put a comma and you start a new mathematical period. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions. And with this, we are able to figure out big numbers and what that number is saying. If I have a number that has a big number like this, I don't know how to say its name yet. I need to figure out where my commas go. So I need to figure out each period. So I have 1, 10, 100, comma. This is the ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. This is the thousands period. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. This is the millions period. And it repeats on and on. The bigger the number, the period name just changes. But each period has a similarity. They all have ones, tens, and hundreds. So we have to be careful in what we call a number. Now, another way I can show place value of a number, besides saying the value of each digit, is by stretching it out into expanded form. An expanded form means I am breaking it down into place value and adding them all up. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 says write 7,320 in expanded form. When I count place value, I count from the right to the left. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That's 7,000. 7,000 plus ones, tens, hundreds. 3 hundreds plus 10, 20. 2 tens is 20. And I have nothing in the ones, so I don't have to show it. But if it helps my brain, I can say 0 ones. Sorry about that. So if I was to break this up and show each place, it would say 7 times 1,000 plus, I have 300, so 3 times 100 plus, the 2 is in the tens place, so 2 tens plus, and I have nothing in the ones place, so I'm going to say 0 times 1. This is the same as this. They are both equal expressions in how to write it in expanded form. So, once you multiply it out, you just bring it over. So 7 times 1,000, 7,000. 3 times 100, 300. 2 times 10, 20. 0 times 1, 0. But along with knowing expanded form, I have to be able to say the number name. I have to be able to write it. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. I know my first number is going to end in the word thousand because that's where the biggest period ends. So, this number I look at as a whole because I can't say 50,000, 5,000. That would be breaking it up into expanded form using number names, or what I would call word form. That's a term you see on standardized testing. So I have to write 55. And the period that it's in the thousands period. 55,000. I put a comma because it has a comma. Ones, tens, hundreds. 400. And then I look at this last number together, 26. So, to say 55,426 in word form looks like 55,000, comma, 426. Now, when I'm looking at place value, sometimes it'll ask me for the digit. The digit, remember, is just the singular number within the number. In a recent year, 284,604 fans attended the hockey playoffs in Chicago. What digit is in the thousands place? Well, I can't just look at it and know. I have to be able to count it. So I'm going to write my number out again so I can touch each digit, and I will circle the one that is in the thousands place. So I start at my right, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. I think I counted too far. Let's go back to the directions and see what it's asking us one more time. What digit is in the thousands place? So let's go back and count one more time. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The 4 is in the thousands place. Now be careful because there's also a 4 in the ones place. Sometimes they will try to trick you. Please be mindful of where you're counting to. If you're counting to the thousands, don't just stop at the first number. You have to count all the way over. Let's practice. I want you to help me solve 7,622 in expanded form. It means we're going to break it down into its individual place values. Think you can help me? Awesome. I have to start with my biggest number, so I have to start from the left digit. What place is that? Let's count. Ones, tens, hundreds, right, thousands. So 7 times 1,000 is 7,000 plus ones, right, hundreds. 600 plus ones, right. 2 tens is how much again? You're so right. 20 plus how much is in the ones? 2. Oh, you are so smart. Okay, now I'm going to write word form above number name So my brain knows I'm really writing the word form. Let's look at number 9. 1,688. How do I write that number? In word form. I have to start with my biggest place. So I'm going to look. I do have a comma. So ones, tens, hundreds. Right. What comes last? Thousands. You were so smart. So 1,000, comma. What place comes next? It's okay if you forgot its name. Let's count it again. Ones, tens. So right. Hundreds. What number, what digit is in that hundreds place? Right. So I'm going to say 600. And what is this number called? Right. 88. So 88. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye.